How to log out of your DIRECTV application's account. First, if you are using the website to log out of your account, you want to simply open your Chrome browser and you want to search for DIRECTV stream. After that, you want to tap on the first website that you see, and by doing so, if you are logged in onto your account, you'll be able to see on three menu bar. Logged in into your account, you'll be able to see these three lines over here at the top left of your screen. You want to simply tap on there and you want to scroll down until you see an option called log out. You want to simply tap on log out and you'll be able to log out your account from there. However, if you are using the application, you want to simply come back from here, navigate yourself to the DIRECTV stream app, tap and hold on to the app and click on app info. After that, you want to simply tap on storage and cache. After that, you want to simply tap on storage and cache and you want to simply clear your storage of the DIRECTV stream app. By doing so, you have successfully removed your user data, hence logging out of your account as well. Hope this video is helpful, and if you have any further questions, do comment down below.